Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we look at the type of sphingolipidosis. The types of sphingolipids. So in the type of sphingolipids, there is the glycosphingolipid. So this glycosphingolipid. So in the glycosphingolipids, there is the cerebrocytes. There is cerebrocytes, there's also the gangliocytes, as well as the globocytes. Next, it also includes the oligosaccharides. There's oligosaccharides, and this moiety is attached to the ceramide unit. Oligosaccharide moiety, it is attached to the ceramide unit. Next, we have the sphingophospholipid. So, in terms of the sphingophospholipid, there is the sphingomyelin. There is presence of the sphingomyelin. So, the sphingomyelin, there is phosphate attached to the ceramide unit. There is presence of phosphate, which is attached to the ceramide unit.